what you can see. Like, this is just a test run. We've not removed the old one, and you can see the daughter that broke the screen of the father. Is unfortunately that this man had to go through this, spending another money to fix the phone. The next we have to do, we have to hit the screen after test running it. After hitting it, then we replace the new screen. As you can see, the screen has been replaced, and we'll fix all the battery. Now it's left for us to tighten all the screws that was removed at the first place. We'll fix every screws that was removed, and we'll make sure we don't miss anyone. As you can see on your screen, we are fixing all, and we are done with it. After putting the screw, we close the cover, then power on. The phone is working perfect. Thank you.
Subscribe.